Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Here I have a 14 by 11, 11 by 14, and what I'm going to be using is I'm going to use blue and white as base. I started this technique of using split colors and I actually do like it. So yeah, what we'll do is we'll start with pouring a blue in the bottom, and then we'll put some white on top. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss on any of my latest videos. Thank you. My blue is a little bit thick, but that's okay. We'll spread it out. When it's a little bit thicker, it's actually better, I've noticed, because it doesn't run all over the place. And when you do very light, very runny, it just kind of, it dries fast, but it's going to be, you know, running on the sides, and it's gonna mess up your cells. If your after cells, they're not going to stay prominent. So yeah, I like to have a little bit, you know, and like I said in a previous video, I am going to put the recipe that I use on there soon. Just that I need to make a video about how I mix my paints and what I mix them with. Is it Frottrol? Do I mix it with silicone? Some of them I do, some I don't. So I am going to give you all that information. So keep watching my videos, and I will have one soon. So yeah, so that is the blue, saturated nice. So now let's go ahead and do white. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this white in a little bit pourable bottle, this bottle right here, because here's the humongous bottle that I have. I'm afraid it might fall on my canvas and just ruin everything. So yeah, so we have a little bit better manageable bottle here. So yes, let's go ahead and just pour this on the canvas like this, and also open the lid and just pour. It's easier and quicker. And then what I'll do is I'm gonna spread it out with my fingers. I like to use blow dryer to kind of, you know, move the paint around, but it just wastes too much paint, and I'm not into wasting. Actually, I like to save all the paints that I can, every drop. I try to get everything used. Anyway, so now we have the paint, our paint ready to go. I need to put a little bit blue on here, but I don't want it to touch the white because I want to put all my other colors in the middle. Go ahead and torch it and get all the bubbles out. Torching your paint is important. That way, when your paint dries, you don't see all those bubbles where the bubbles were and they popped. You know, it just does not look right. Okay, so you know, this is like something I'm choosing with you. I have not, you know, I had not actually decided exactly all the colors that I'm gonna use, but I'm gonna use red, And I think, no, I'm gonna use red and this light, these two greens, red, light green, deep green, and I'm gonna use two. I've never tried this before. I don't even know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna use silver metallic and gold metallic, so we'll see. So let's get started. We're gonna start with green. Let's pour it right in the middle of the two colors. And then we'll have light green. Then we'll have the red. Silver metallic by Deco Art. So let's pour that on top there. I'm curious to see how this is gonna turn out. And then we'll put a little bit white. I don't know if it's necessary since we have white on the other side, but who knows? A little bit green again. We don't want it to be too green, but I think I did not, well, yeah, I think another red. No rhyme or reason here. And now I can put my gold on top. Generous amount. I don't know how the gold and silver metallics are going to react on here, but we'll see. I'm all doing this and watching this with you. So let's add our little paint on here, blue, and our white on the other side. That way we have enough to blow it over. Okay. Touch it again a tiny bit. The sides. At least when if the paint falls over, it has something to move to allow it to move. On here. All right. Cover it good. It's a blue, pigmented blue. It's by Artista, and they carry really good paints. They're very good. They're very pigmented, so you only need to put a little bit of your pouring medium in there. And your pouring medium can be water, Fortro, anything really. I mean, any pouring medium. Not anything, but any pouring medium can work with all these paints. So yeah, it looks like my canvas is leveled good because I don't see a lot of paint moving all over the place, unless it's the consistency of my paint, or it's good, because last couple times I've been having trouble getting the consistency of these paints right, but it looks like I have found it. Go ahead and float this over. Again, really low. I see some bubbles here that are trying to pop out, so okay, so now let's go ahead and blow this over and see what happens. Ready? Okay. Very, very nice. I love it. This is another success. Another success. Just need to, I know there's a lot of cells out over here. The gold and silver actually turned out really good. I like. See, the cells are starting to pop out, which is wonderful. That is what I'm looking for. Now let's go ahead and torch it. See what kind of cells we can get from here in the middle, and then go from there. All right, here we go. Looks like I need to put some okay, so this is done. I'm gonna go ahead and put some butane in it, and then I'll be back. Okay, we are ready with the butane and the torch. So let's go ahead and torch this. Yeah, here we go. And it doesn't even need a lot of torching, because all the cells are out. I knew those cells were gonna come out. But right now it looks wonderful. I love it. Oh my god, this is another beautiful painting. And this canvas is smaller, so that's why it looks like it fills up the canvas, because it's 11 by 14. So it seems like when I paint on bigger canvases, they turn out a little bit better, because, well, they're all really, really good, but when you have more room to work with, it's better. And this canvas is pretty small, so, but it turned out good. So I do like that there's negative space over here, another negative space over here, and I like the way that one goes all the way over. And yeah, I like the composition, you know. It could take a little bit, I could scrape a little bit here, so it will be equal as this one. It will match the other side. And I just don't want to mess with it, because what if I mess with it and it doesn't turn out good? Should I just leave it? That is a question. Why not? I'll just scrape a little bit and I'll put, oh, not even scrape, just kind of mix it up a little bit like that. To kind of dampen the, to kind of take out the other colors and leave the blue. That way it will kind of match a little bit the side, the other side. So it will balance. Yeah, here we go. A little bit. I don't want to mess with it too much. There you are. So white up that way, blue up this way. There. How perfect is that? Pretty cool. I love it. And here is the final product. It turned out so nice. I love it. Look at the blues and the golds and the reds. I am not too crazy about the silver metallic, but you know, it kind of blends really nice. Here it is hanging on the wall. Wow, look at that. It's a beautiful piece. What do you guys think? I want to bring you a little bit closer to the cells. I had so much fun making this piece, painting this piece. I didn't know how it was gonna turn out, but it's beautiful. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below, and thank you so much. Okay guys, please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Share with your friends and family. God bless. Bye.